Okay, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is how they start iftar. So today is the first day of the holy month of Ramadan in Islam, and I'm in Istanbul, the capital city of Turkey, at the heart of the capital city of this historic Islamic city in Sultanahmet. And I'm gonna film the celebrations of the first day of iftar and show you guys what it's like here. So behind me is the famous Blue Mosque, which you might have seen my videos from like 3 years ago. Now I'm trying to go to somewhere else. Sounds like there's like some military musical celebrations going on. Lots of cops around, but no one seems to be bothered about me holding a camera, which is great because that's not the case in every country. Okay, so what I just saw must be the craziest iftar Ramadan tradition I've ever seen. So they basically have these military guys with literally a cannon, like a 21st century cannon, shooting a blank, because back in the days that's how the tradition used to go, so that everyone knows that iftar has started. There used to be like an ancient cannon in the Ottoman capital of Istanbul, and they used to fire that. So they still do that to this day. Shoot a blank, of course, not like a real cannonball, not a cannonball, whatever they shoot, missile at anyone, but it's like pretty interesting. On the Hagia Sophia they have La ilaha illallah, on the other one, on Blue Mosque on the other side they have Muhammadan Rasulullah, which means like there's no God but Allah, and Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is his last prophet basically. And I don't think I've seen that before when I was here in Hagia Sophia in like non-Ramadan time, so maybe this is something special they put up here. Also, they're supposed to have free iftar here, provided by the Istanbul government, but I don't see that anywhere, so hopefully I can find it.
Ramazanlar, I will come.
Thank you.
You can take a water.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy Simit.
Thank you. Okay. What is this? Do you know? Soup. Okay, so I finally found the place where they were serving food. They basically gave me the simit, which is like this kind of bread, and they gave me the soup in a cup and some water. Nothing too fancy, nothing too filling. I think I'm definitely gonna have to go eat something somewhere else after this. Finally found a place to put the camera down so I can film it. So I'm putting the bread into the soup and then I'm eating it. Obviously Turkey is like going through some tough times economically, so you can't expect like the fanciest, best food for free that is offered to anyone. Let me just try the soup. I said this was not going to make me full, but this is actually making me full right now. It's not a small chunk of bread. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was surprisingly filling. Now I'm gonna get some free tea or chai. There wasn't really much of a line for food, but there's definitely a line for free chai always in Turkey. Turkish people drink more tea than anywhere else in the world by a mile. So I got myself a cup of tea, and then I got myself a little bit of sugar, because I like my tea sweet. Well, not all the time. And now I'm in front of the Hagia Sophia, having a cup of tea after iftar. Man, I can't believe the stuff that I get to do sometimes because of this career. This is nice, but I don't think the sugar mixed very well. You know, one thing that kind of sucks is that visiting the Hagia Sophia used to be free, and I came here more than 10 times, literally. Maybe 20 times, maybe 30 times when I was here for 5 months last time. I used to come here every day when I was staying in Sultanahmet because I really like the place, but now you gotta pay a lot of money to get in, so I don't think I'm going in this time. The interesting thing is everyone was having like iftar here 30 minutes ago on the grounds. Now everyone's just smoking cigarettes. So Turkish people drink the most tea, and I don't know what the exact statistic is, but I think they also are like up there on the number of people that smoke a lot of cigarettes. It's getting cold, so I'm gonna head back to my place, but I wanna try something sweet before I go back home. And 3 years ago when I was living here, there was this baklava place in Sultanahmet that I used to go to like every day for the first 2 or 3 weeks that I was here. And then I just ate so much baklava in those 2 weeks that I couldn't eat it anymore. So I stopped eating it, but let me see if I can find that place. So 1 month ago, I was trying to play with a street dog in Sri Lanka, and it bit me, and I had to get like rabies vaccines, and I was scammed at the first place. They charged me $200 in Sri Lanka for the first shot, but now I'm vaccinated, so now I can play with dogs, but this one doesn't want to play with me. I think I see my old baklava place right in front of me. Can I get 2 pieces of the green one and 2 pieces of this? Packet? Packet. How much? It's okay. Keep the change. The chocolate? It's okay. Thank you.
25
It's for you.
teşekkür ederim.
Okay, teşekkürler. And it's always so hard to film at night and find good lighting. Thankfully I have a good camera, the R6, and a good lens, so I can like at least get something I can film. Alright, this is the baklava. There's basically two baklavas, two types of baklavas. One I think is like mostly pistachio with like a little bit of cream. Ooh. On top. Let's try the green one first. Does it even look green? Everything looks orange here. Nothing looks green, but it's green. You have to trust me. So I had to go like all the way to the back and like film from another spot because just so I could show you the color. But this is the green one. Amazing, but really sweet. Honestly, it's so sweet. That's why I stopped eating all this stuff. And I'm making a mess out of this. But this is the other kind of baklava. It's soft. No, this is too sweet. I can't eat this. Right. Bangladesh. Yes. उर्दू आती है अच्छा है पाकिस्तान से वागर हूँ हाँ
क्या नाम है आपका?
नादिर
नादिर?
हाँ हाँ
यूट्यूब पे नादिर?
यूट्यूब में हाँ हाँ
माशाल्लाह अच्छा लगा
शुक्रिया
मैं आ जाऊँ आपके व्लॉग में
आ सकते हैं हाँ
हेलो
हाय आपका नाम क्या है
मौसम
Muazzam. So I met a brother from Pakistan, Muazzam.
या मौसम
Oh yeah, and my uncle.
I'm student in Istanbul
I'm a student. Yeah, sorry. I started speaking Bangladeshi for some reason. Alright, that's it for this video. So if you liked it, do like it, comment, share. You know the usuals. I hope the ad revenue for this video makes up for my flight to Istanbul because there's no sponsored video on this series. And follow me on Instagram if you want real-time travel updates. I'll catch you on the next video from another country because I'm going to a different country tomorrow.